Microsoft has announced on Friday that it would permanently terminate its 83 Microsoft retail stores. As an impact of coronavirus in the world, the company has decided to shut all its retail stores around the world. It will keep only 4 stores open but will no longer sell any products. While shutting down the stores, it clearly doesn't mean that the company is receding or planning to minimize its clientele. In fact, company has begun to change the marketing strategy of its product lineup. And let us see how. Over the past decade or so, Microsoft has begun to strengthen its retail business to create a shopping experience similar to Apple, where people can test the new software and hardware created by Microsoft and its partners. Throughout the virus-induced lockdown, the retail operations were prevented and most shopping centers were closed. Therefore, when the online sales shoot up, the company's product portfolio has evolved into a major digital product. The company believes that this is the right time to focus on online stores instead of the retail ones. The talented team has proven triumph in providing help to customers in any physical location. The company promises that they will continue to offer tools including virtual customer support from trusted experts, online tutorial videos, virtual workshop with tips, and one-to-one video chat support. Although most people thought that the company would lay off its employees, but Microsoft is assured to direct the retail team personnel for online sales and support. And the customers will continue to receive the services just like before. The members of the retail team will provide services to consumers, small businesses, education, and corporate consumers while creating a talent portfolio with transferable skills. It is yet to see how Microsoft performs after the digital shift. In fact, this move will soon attract more companies to focus on online sales rather than retail. And in the next few years, more Microsoft stores are expected to be closed down.